So hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can do vulnerability scanning using Nessus. For that guys, what you have to do, click on new scan here. So when you click on new scan, there are a lot of things you can do. Host discovery, ping all discovery, basic network scan, credential validation, advanced scan, all of those things. Okay. So let us do. So click on new scan, click on host discovery. Now let's skip test host discovery. Discovery. Now you can add like 192.168.1.1. Let's add as an example 168.1.1. Now click on save. Now you can start here host discovery, test host discovery. Click on launch. So yeah, it is now running here. Oh, you can click on this and you can see. So it is now completed. Okay. So let me go to my bike scans completed. If you want to see the entire thing, so you see scanned. So there are no vulnerabilities. So there is only history. One we have added here. Okay. So whenever you have new scan, guys, there are a lot of things to do. Basic network scan you can do here. Let's say network scan, and you can put network scan on, let's say, so 192.168.1.1. You can click on save here. You can start the network scan. So it is running. So today, so vulnerability scan type, this is a host discovery. So it is still running here. If there are vulnerabilities, it will find the vulnerability for you. Okay, so this we can do a lot of scans. So it's now completed. There are no vulnerabilities detected. Okay, so that's how you can do a lot of things, guys. Just play around with this credential validation, etc. Audit infrastructure. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on likes. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.